we will start with the basic posture of Tadasana. So you're going to stand with your feet hip-width distance apart. Place your hands on your waist and you're going to raise your heels up, come up on your toes as you inhale, and exhale, bring your heels down. Do this a couple of times and feel the stability in your posture. Don't be in a hurry to bring the heels down. You can add arm movement to this posture. So one movement will be from the side. We are going to inhale as we raise our arms up slowly and bring them down on the exhale. Repeat one more time. Feel the expansion of the shoulder blades as you bring your arms up and drop the shoulders down from the shoulder blades as you bring them down. Another variation of Tadasana could be when you bring your arms up from the front, inhale, come up on your toes, and exhale, bring it down. Feel the extension in your spine, the backward extension. It's a gentle back bend. Try to link the breath and the movement. If you want to make this posture a little more challenging, turn your gaze upwards as you raise your hands. And exhale, gently bring the arms down. You could do this posture between 4 to 6 times. Choose one variation. It helps you to deepen your breath, and it also is a balancing posture depending on whether you take your arms from the side or from the front. You would have a different extension to the spine. When you move them from the side, your rib cage opens up sideways. This is a balancing posture. We are going to do Tadasana with a lateral bend. So stand with your feet hip-width distance apart, toes in, heels out. You're going to raise your arm from the side. Inhale, exhale, bend. Inhale slightly and exhale as you bend further. Inhale, come back to center, and exhale, bring your arm down. You're going to repeat the movement on the other side. Take a deep inhale, link your breath with the movement of the arm. Exhale as you bend laterally on the other side. Gently inhale, come up as much as your arm lets you, and exhale, completely accentuating the lateral bend. Inhale, come back to center, and exhale, complete. We are going to do a variation in Tadasana and introduce a twist. So stand with your feet hip-width distance apart, heels out, toes in. You're going to inhale and raise your arms to shoulder height. Exhale and turn from the waist. Inhale, come back to center, and exhale, bring your arms down. Inhale, raise your arms, turn to the other side. This is a twisting action through the spine. Inhale, come back to center, and exhale, bring your arms down. You can do this 4 to 6 times. Doing it on the left and right is one cycle. Feel the gentle twist in the spine. This also has a cleansing action on all the organs in your torso. Very good for endocrine health as well. We are going to do Uttanasana and a variation of Uttanasana, Ardha Uttanasana. So raise your arms up from the front. As you inhale, feel the gentle arch in the spine. On the exhale, come down halfway. Gently inhale all the way up to your navel. And on the exhale, drop down further all the way to the floor. If your arms don't reach down, you can bend your knees. Try to stay one breath. Inhale and exhale. And on the inhale, come up gently. And exhale, bring your arms down. Do it one more time. You can do 5 to 6 repetitions. But if you feel dizzy, then you can do it halfway and go back up. Don't bend down all the way, or don't stay for the inhalation and exhalation. You can take one inhale and come up. Don't stay too long. So you're going to do Parivritta Trikonasana. Stand with your feet 3 to 4 feet apart. Heels out, toes in. You're going to inhale and raise your arms to shoulder height. Exhale, bend forward and take your arm down. If it doesn't go down all the way to the floor, you can take it to your knee. Look ahead in front of you, not towards your arm. Stay one breath. So you're going to do one inhalation and one exhalation in this position. And then inhale and come up. Exhale, bring your arms down to the side. You're going to repeat on the other side. It's an excellent exercise to loosen the neck and the shoulders. Great for relieving strain in the back, because it is a gentle forward bend, a gentle twist to the spine. We'll do a variation of Veerbhadrasana, warrior pose. So take one leg forward, the other leg back. Make sure both hips are facing forward. You're going to inhale and raise your arms up. As you exhale, bend your front leg so that the thigh is parallel to the floor and bring your elbows down to shoulder height. Keep steady on the back leg. Try to hold the posture for a few seconds. Inhale, straighten the front leg, and exhale, bring the arms down. Repeat once more on the same side. Inhale, take your arms up. Exhale, bend the front leg and bring the arms down simultaneously. Inhale, take your arms up, and exhale, bring it down. You're going to change the leg. Be steady on the back leg. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, bend forward, elbows down. Inhale up and exhale down. One more time. You can repeat this 3 to 4 times on each side. Be steady on the back leg. Feel the gentle arch and the expansion of the chest. We're going to do Shitali Pranayam with alternate nostril exhale. So you're going to curl your tongue like you're sipping from a straw. Inhale, take your chin up, fold your tongue in and touch the tip of your tongue to the roof of your palate. While holding your breath, drop your chin down, back of the neck long, and once your chin is to your chest, gently exhale with both nostrils. Raise your head up. Inhale through a curled tongue. Hold the tongue in so that it touches the roof of your palate. Holding the breath in drop your chin to your chest and do an exhale from your lower abdomen. So pull your lower abdomen in towards the spine and draw your navel inside as you exhale gently. Inhale again. You can do 8 to 10 repetitions of this breath. It is very good for the throat, to moisten the throat, and it helps quench the thirst. We are going to do Tratak for the eyes. So sit in a comfortable position, either cross-legged or in a chair, and you're going to raise your arm up to eye level, thumb extended outward, and you're going to take your arm to the side and follow the thumb with your eyes and neck. Keep the arm loose, bent in the elbow. Come back to the front, following the thumb with your gaze. This is an excellent exercise for eye strain. Make sure you do it on both sides. Because if your eyes are steady, it helps to also steady the mind.